Wood in aircraft construction. Wood was commonly used in the early days of aviation for aircraft construction. However, as aircraft technology advanced, wood was gradually replaced by metals and composites due to their higher strength-to-weight ratios and other desirable properties. That being said, wood still has some advantages in certain aircraft applications. For example, some ultralight and home-built aircraft still use wood for their structures due to its lightweight and ease of construction. Additionally, some aircraft still use wood in areas such as cabinetry and trim work. One notable example of modern aircraft that still use wood in their construction is the de Havilland Canada DHC-2 Beaver, which has a wooden wing spar. The spar is made from laminated Sitka spruce, which is known for its strength and lightweight. Overall, while wood is no longer a primary material for aircraft construction, it still has some uses and advantages in certain applications.